Stars twinkle because of tiny variations in temperature and density in the layers of the atmosphere, which very slightly bend light coming from stars. You can see the same effect behind jet engines and above fires, like this photo taken through the hot air above a ship's chimney. The temperature variations naturally in the atmosphere are much smaller, so the effect is not directly visible, except for causing stars to twinkle. This is a simulation of Saturn as seen through the atmosphere. It's not an accurate simulation, but it's good enough to demonstrate the basic idea. As the pockets of warm and cool air churn in the atmosphere, different parts of Saturn get magnified and shrunk at different times. With the naked eye, you can only perceive the overall brightness of Saturn because it's so small, so the overall effect is averaged out and you just see a steady point of light. Even though a star is actually much larger, it's much further away, so appears as a tiny point, even compared to a distant planet. This single point gets alternately magnified and brightened, or reduced and dimmed, as the precise path that its light takes through the atmosphere changes over time. Even though the side-to-side movements of the star are too small to be perceived, the changes in brightness are visible. So that's why stars twinkle and planets don't.